What's up everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be installing the Steeda clutch spring in my Focus ST. So I already have the new spring installed, so I'll show you that clip right now of me installing it. Okay, so it was kind of difficult to just pull up on this to get it out, so I got some long needle nose. I'm just going to try and pry on this to knock it out. Oh, perfect. Okay, so this has a lot of, oh my god, this has a lot of grease on it. So here's the two assemblies, so they go in like that. So now we're gonna remove the old spring here. We have our new spring. So this one's pretty, the new Steeda has, what the hell did they call it? Oh, piano wire tensile or whatever the hell it is. But this one's a little bit softer. This is the new one, and this is the old one. This one's a lot thicker, obviously, as you can tell. So, and then in the picture this is blue, but mine's black. I don't really care. But so this is gonna go up like that, and then you're gonna get the new piece, and you're gonna put them together like that, and then I'm just gonna try and push them together. Oh wow, it was easier to put it together than take it apart. So this is the new spring, and now we're gonna put it inside the car. So I have the new spring installed, and right now we're gonna go test drive it. Okay, so I have the new clutch spring installed, and I've been driving around for a few minutes with it. My initial thought is that it feels the same. I thought it would feel different, but I don't really notice a difference. It's kind of weird. They said it would be better. It would help with clutch engagement and how it feels, but it might be a little bit like of a softer release, in my opinion. I mean, to me, the clutch pedal is already, it's fairly soft. I don't really feel a difference. It feels just fine. Like I've been driving this for a year now, and I've never had any I never let go of the clutch and didn't know where it was releasing it. I feel like it releases like half, like almost from the bottom halfway up. So I thought maybe, you know, I thought this would be a little bit better, but it doesn't really feel any different. I mean, the release is a little bit better. I like that, but I mean, it's not a huge difference. I mean, yeah, the engagement is the same, and releasing's like, I mean, a little bit better. So, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm okay with it. I wouldn't say I'm satisfied, but I mean, I thought it would have been I don't know. I wasn't expecting like a huge difference. I was expecting something, but I mean, my expectations aren't fully met, you know. But I don't know. I'll drive around with it for a while, and I mean, see, maybe it'll be different on a hill. I'm starting off on a hill, maybe, but I don't know, dude. It doesn't. I don't know. It feels the same. I don't know. I don't notice a difference. I mean, very slight, very little. It does feel like the spring rates. There's a difference. You can feel it. That the old spring's a lot stiffer and the new one's a little bit softer. But I don't really see the need for it, I guess. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know. I'll have to wait and see, and I'll let you guys know after I drive. I'll drive around with it like for a week or two. Alright everybody, so that was my initial review and somewhat of an install of the Steeda clutch spring. When I first saw that, I did see a few people who weren't so excited about it, and you know, I thought maybe it would actually be something good. Right now, I'm kind of meh about it. You know, I can't really come up with a decision. I mean, like I said, I didn't really feel any of a difference, but I'll let you guys know after a few weeks. But if you liked it, let me know. If you didn't, then you didn't. But if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. But thanks for watching.